Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by selecting your fat and measuring precisely. Use 1/4 cup rendered pork fat or unsalted butter for a classic gravy flavor, especially if you cooked sausage. Match that with 1/4 cup all-purpose flour to form a balanced roux for 4 servings. Equal parts by volume gives a smooth thickener. Prepare 2 cups whole milk warmed to room temperature before adding to the roux so it incorporates without clumping and stays creamy while you finish the gravy. Melt the fat over medium heat until it shimmers but does not smoke. This preserves the fat's flavor and avoids bitterness. Whisk in 1/4 cup flour and cook 2 to 3 minutes for a blonde roux, stirring constantly so the flour loses its raw taste but does not darken too much. Keep the pan at medium to low heat to prevent burning and maintain flavor, and adjust heat if the roux begins to brown faster than 2 minutes per shade change. Finish by slowly whisking in 2 cups warmed whole milk, adding a splash at a time to prevent lumps and keeping a steady whisking motion until smooth. Simmer 3 to 5 minutes until the gravy thickens to coat a spoon, then reduce heat and stir occasionally while the biscuit oven timer runs so it stays perfect at service time. Season with 1 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Taste and adjust. Add a pinch of cayenne or a tablespoon of pan drippings for extra richness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.